Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can post items on Facebook Marketplace. First of all, head over to your Facebook app, get logged into your account, and then tap on this Marketplace button. In here, if you would like to post something, tap on the Sell button first, and then you can either create a listing or simply add a specific item to post. For that, tap on the plus button and select any type. For example, if you're trying to post a vehicle for sale, now under this page, you're going to have to, upload the photo of your vehicle. You can add up to 10 photos. And once you do that, type in the title, type in the price. On the title, simply type in the name of vehicle. And here, select categories. Once done, you can go ahead, type in description, and also leave your number if you would like to be contacted in that number. Once done, if you offer delivery, toggle on this button. And once done, tap on next. And likewise, guys, follow the on-screen prompt, and this is how you can post in Facebook Marketplace.